Now we're going to start looking at some of the more advanced interaction tools of the Magic Box. This is a great way to do some of your checks for understanding, some of your common formative assessments, some of your sharing of photographs or things that are on screen. So these are some techniques that you can use to allow students to interact with the board if you're comfortable doing that. So I'm going to start with the pop quiz, which is the red button there, and this is what it looks like when you open it. You will see that you can put a question, and I'll talk about that in a second. You'll probably want to check this box right here, limit one answer per student. That is a great box to have checked. You can tell students they can only submit once. Originally, one of the problems is the kids would hit send like 7 times because it didn't pop up right away. It does take some transfer time. So having that limits them from doing that. You won't end up with 10 responses from the same kid. One response comes in, you're good to go. So as a teacher, you can grab a pin tool and you can put your question right up here. Why did Egyptians depend on the Nile River? With a question mark. The students would, on their Chromebook, they're going to go to your website, which is really easy to find. All you have to do is click on your part up here when you're signed in. Let me minimize this real quick. Clear that off. And this will show you the website that the kids go to. Right up here, that's your website. That is always the same unless you change your board name. So the kids you can put that link in Google Classroom. You can push that link out to them. It's always the same link, and the kids then can interact with the board. You open up that pop quiz inside of the thing, and the students then can put an answer in on pop quiz and send it to you. That answer will pop up right here. If you have 30 students in the class, they each submit their answers. They will pop up right up here with their name, because it does ask them to put a name in or sign in with Google, and they can just do that real quick and be able to send up a answer to the question right up here. And you can either open them one at a time, or you could say, if this is a check for understanding, on their way out for break, you say thank you. As soon as you submit it, you can head to break. Students head out to break, then you can open them one at a time, make sure they understand the material. But you can see it just pops up right here, and all you have to do is click on it to see the answer, which is right behind the piece here. So you can see farming, and there was an answer submitted, and you can see, are they understanding the concept behind the question? So nice, easy way to get the students to interact with the board. You put the question out, the students click on their end on a little screen that says pop quiz, and remember that to get the students there, all you have to do is give them that website that appears when you're logged into the board.